Deep inside your gastrointestinal tract, there is a thriving microscopic ecosystem. It's an intricate, bustling environment packed with trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes living right alongside your own cells. This community, your gut microbiome, does a lot of heavy lifting. It breaks down the food you eat into absorbable nutrients, continuously communicates with your immune system, and ultimately keeps your body functioning normally day in and day out. Keeping that system running smoothly gets complicated when you aren't the one cooking. Today, Americans consume roughly 1/3 of their total calories from foods prepared away from home. The problem is that restaurant meals are highly engineered for flavor, shelf life, and immediate satisfaction. Kitchens prioritize extreme richness, massive portion sizes, refined grains, and heavy saturated fats. In this split-screen comparison, a heavy processed meal enters the digestive system on the left. It underdelivers on fiber, starving the microbial forest until it shrinks. On the right, a fiber-rich plant enters, and the microbes rapidly multiply. You don't have to completely stop dining out to protect your digestion. You just need a practical, repeatable system to navigate these hostile food environments without starving the microbes that keep you healthy. That system is the Restaurant Decision Filter. It is a 4-step tactical audit you can apply to any menu before you ever place an order. Step 1 is to scan for fiber first. The biological rule here is simple. The dietary fiber that your body cannot fully digest serves as the essential primary fuel source for your gut microbes. This flowchart shows exactly how that works. As a microbe absorbs a piece of dietary fiber, it ferments it and ejects glowing energy particles. Those are short-chain fatty acids, and they coat and strengthen the gut wall while directly influencing your overall metabolic health. To apply this step at a table, visually scan the menu to identify items like beans, lentils, whole grains, and vegetables. Pick one of those to serve as the nutritional anchor of your meal. Step 2 is to add fermented foods wisely. Look closely for cultured add-ons, like a yogurt-based sauce, a side of kimchi, or a bowl of miso soup. Cultured foods aren't a magical cure-all, but they deliver tangible benefits. These items undergo desired microbial growth and enzymatic conversions, which actively increase the overall diversity of your microbiome. By systematically seeking out fiber and fermentation, you take a restaurant meal that might otherwise be a metabolic burden and transform it into a functional fuel source for your biology. Step 3 is to dodge the stressors. The exact same ingredient can have vastly different effects on your digestion, depending on how the kitchen prepares it. You can translate menu language directly into biological outcomes. Descriptions like fried, battered, creamy, and buttered signal heavy culinary stressors that rapidly pile on calories while displacing the essential fiber your gut actually needs. This is where you use the power of the swap. Look for lighter, less processed preparation keywords like grilled, steamed, broiled, or roasted. Step 4 is to personalize and protect. Gut health is highly individual, meaning a food that perfectly supports one person's digestion might cause intense bloating or distress in another. This gut tolerance dashboard illustrates how we adjust for those sensitivities. By lowering the sliders for specific triggers, like lactose or high FODMAP foods, certain types of fermentable carbohydrates, you can keep your overall digestion safely within the green comfort zone. The absolute baseline of protecting your gut is avoiding acute digestive stress. That means steering clear of foodborne illness risks, often associated with undercooked animal products and raw milk. An effective menu audit is a dual-layered defense. You are actively filtering out heavy culinary stressors while simultaneously personalizing the order to prevent your own specific digestive triggers. Let's run this audit across a full day of eating out, starting with breakfast. Instead of ordering sweet, refined pastries, swap them out for a solid fiber anchor, like a bowl of oatmeal topped with almonds and berries. At lunch, you can easily bypass heavy, refined bread sandwiches. Instead, build a Mediterranean grain bowl packed with greens, beans, and olive oil to secure high plant diversity. For dinner, modify a standard taco order. Prioritize the beans, add fresh cabbage and extra salsa, but hold back on heavy add-ons like excess cheese and sour cream. Notice that this isn't about rigid, restrictive dieting. Building a resilient microbiome doesn't require absolute perfection at every single meal. Look at this trend line for dietary pattern quality. The real goal is shifting your average meal patterns steadily upward over time. Those minor, temporary dips are just occasional, imperfect meals, and they do not derail the overall momentum of a well-supported microbiome. By using this 4-step audit, anyone can maintain strict control over their digestion and their microbial health, no matter who is working in the kitchen. If you want to master these practical dining strategies and build a diet that supports your microbiome in the real world, check out the comprehensive course, Eating Out for Gut Health, available now for free on The Great Discovery at